Skills qualification framework subject structure and function of central nervous system। मैं वीरपाल कौर गौरमेंट गर्ल सीनियर सैकेंडरी स्कूल भदौड़ विच एज ए वोकेशनल ट्रेनर सेवा निभा रही हाँ। द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम कंसेंट ऑफ द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। द ब्रेन प्लेज a central role in the control of most bodily functions including awareness, movement, sensations, thoughts, speech and memory. Some reflex movement can occur via spinal cord pathways without the participation of brain structure. The CNS is highly specialized and allow for functions to be carried out at once in order to possible that are severely specialized cells. Neurons are the main components CNS. These are long projections which run is sterilize our CNS into our peripheral nervous system, relay information such as pain, temperature, stretching from our organs, muscles, joints back to our brain and vice versa. Central nervous system ਦੇ function ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? The CNS controls our bodily voluntary ਜਿੱਦਾਂ walking ਤੁਰਨਾ and involuntary breathing ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਹ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। The brain is responsible for generate our thoughts। brain ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ thoughts ਨੂੰ generate ਕਰਦਾ as well as interpreting information from the PNS and responding appropriately. This process is made possible by tracts of the nerve cells in the spinal cord which contact the brain to the PNS. And structure kiya, the tracts each have a different function and can be broadly split into ascending and descending. The ascending tracts are responsible for relaying sensory information from the PNS to the brain, whereas the descending tracts send motor signals from the brain to lower motor neurons, which then go on the synapse with muscles to produce movements. That is central nervous system. Thank you.